Deep in the jungle there lived a parrot named Pipi. He had bright blue feathers and a yellow beak. Pipi loved to sing and play. He had many friends in the jungle. There was Tutu the bird with her red feathers. Fisi the frog was green and loved to hop. Olo the owl slept all day and hooted all night. Pipi loved to visit his friends in the jungle.
What a beautiful day to explore the jungle. Wake up, friends. Let's go on an adventure and discover all the sounds of our jungle.
Pipi flew to Tutu's nest first.
Good morning, Tutu. Did you hear that?
A woodpecker was busy pecking on a tree trunk.
That's the woodpecker's song.
Next, they hopped over to Fisi, who was sitting on a lily pad.
Fisi, listen!
They heard a loud croak.
Ribbit, ribbit, that's my song.
Finally, they went to see Olo.
Olo, wake up!
Olo opened one eye sleepily.
Hoo, did you hear me? That was my song.
The jungle is full of so many sounds, said Pipi. They heard monkeys chattering, parrots squawking, and insects buzzing. The friends listened to all the different sounds around them.
Let's play a game. Let's try to guess who is making each sound.
Pipi, Tutu, and Fisi played for a long time, their laughter echoing through the trees. As they were playing, Pipi saw something lying under a bush. It was a shiny tablet. When Pipi touched it, it lit up.
Wow, what is this?
This is a magical jungle tablet. It can teach you all about the sounds of the jungle.
Pipi, Tutu, and Fisi were very excited. Pipi pressed a button and the tablet showed a picture of a monkey.
Ooh, that's a monkey's call.
Pipi, Tutu, and Fisi laughed. The friends played with the magical tablet all morning. They learned the sounds of a tiger, a snake, and even a noisy elephant.
This is so much fun.
Let's play another game.
Pipi took out a stack of flashcards from his bag. Each card had a picture of a different jungle animal on it.
Ah!
Roared Pipi, trying to sound like a tiger. Tutu chirped like a little bird and Fisi croaked like a frog. They all laughed at Olo's funny hooting sound.
Now let's record our sounds.
He took out a magical recorder from his bag. The recorder was shaped like a microphone with colourful feathers. One by one, the friends made their favorite animal sounds into the recorder. They listened back to their recordings, laughing at the funny noises.
We sound like a real jungle orchestra.
Let's have a concert.
Pipi loved the idea.
We can invite all our friends and have a Jungle Sounds concert.
The friends worked together to make colourful masks for the concert. Pipi made a parrot mask, Tutu made a bird mask, Fisi made a frog mask, and even sleepy Olo made an owl mask. That evening, the jungle was alive with music. Pipi and his friends sang, chirped, croaked, and hooted. All the other animals danced and sang along. The jungle was filled with the happy sounds of friendship and music. From that day on, Pipi and his friends loved to explore the jungle sounds. They learned that every sound from the tiniest chirp to the loudest roar was part of the beautiful music of their jungle home.